Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into the important topic of travel insurance and answer some of your burning questions about what's covered and whether it's worth getting. First and foremost, let's talk about what travel insurance usually covers. Most policies include emergency medical evacuation and treatment, including accidents, illnesses, and even death. This means that if you have a medical emergency while you're away from home, your insurer will step in to cover the cost of an emergency medical evacuation to the nearest hospital or doctor. They will also help cover the cost of any necessary treatments. Now, you might be wondering about situations like not being able to complete a trip due to illness or injury. Well, many insurers have you covered in this scenario, too. If something unfortunate happens and you can't finish your trip for medical reasons, your insurer will help pay for a medical evacuation back home or to a hospital closer to where you left off on your journey. As you can see, having travel insurance is incredibly important and can provide peace of mind during your adventures. Of course, every policy is different, so it's always a good idea to read the fine print and understand what is and isn't covered in your specific plan. First up, what does travel insurance cover? Well, it can give you peace of mind in various situations. For example, if you need medical attention while traveling, your insurance might cover the cost. Plus, most policies will reimburse you if your luggage is lost or stolen or if your trip is canceled for a covered reason. Now let's talk about what isn't covered. There are some things that insurance companies won't pay for, such as losing your bathing suit at the beach and leaving your shoes at the pool. So, don't count on insurance to cover every mishap. When it comes to deciding whether to get travel insurance or not, it depends on several factors. These include the cost of your trip, how much is refunded if you can't go on the trip, and the overall value of your trip. If losing money on a trip would be a significant financial burden, then having insurance could be worth it. A recent trip to the hospital reminded me of how expensive medical care can be, especially when you're not covered by your insurance. It gave me a whole new appreciation for travel insurance and its benefits. So let's talk about what it can cover and why it could be the perfect safety net for your next adventure. I'll be sharing my experience and insight on this topic in an upcoming post, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, if you have any questions or thoughts about travel insurance, feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and safe travels everyone.